Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today we'll talk about Zora targets updates after the pump, why we pump it, and why maybe you missed the first video. Let's dive in. Once again, guys, so this is initiation accumulation pump model. Highly recommend to use this model because it's totally for free. One simple model can save you a lot of money. First of all, save you a lot of money. Second one, up to your own risk, you can make a lot of money using just one simple strategy, because everything what we see on the chart is just a pure algorithm. Once again, in the comment section, you can write why you post the video after the fact, after we pump it 400%, because the main video with all zones, absolutely, here's a buy bid, absolutely all zones relevant, and I posted in April after the listing. You know, I post the videos maybe on the next day after listing, maybe on the next few days, I post the video with the all zone of interest. You can go and check a lot of videos for tokens after listing since 2023, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025. All models absolutely the same, just one simple model where you can use it, and it's not random because absolutely the same zones are here. 1 cent, 0, 1. We turn on the Fib, 0.00995. So 1 cent, 0, 1. So adjust it with a magnet a little bit. 101, 109. So just a few cents. Absolutely, guys, everything relevant. I skip it the Zora because I can't trade every single token, right? And it's physically impossible, just physically impossible. There's millions just tokens. At least, for example, you can open the BitGet Max, like bunch of tokens, like 10 tokens a day. They list just 10 tokens a day in the new section. That's why, guys, if you follow this token, you got a plan to buy this token, you can use one simple model, and it can be the logical entry, not random. It's not gambling. It was a proper risk management. And take a look how one more time this model playing out, you know, because we consolidate around the best zone to buy based on this model. And why we consolidate? Because it's algorithm by market makers, but they're soft. It's not random. It's not retails here to build the liquidity, you know, and go higher to sweep exactly this high. No, of course, guys, of course not. It's just a basic algorithm, and some algorithm will deliver the price faster, some later, because we can't know the interest in this token. We can't know, you know, the plan of the market makers. So that's the main problem. What we can't know. We can know the zone of interest, right? First one. And we can know, the target where we need to fix the profit, but we can't know the timing when it will happen, you know. And we can't know, maybe they get a plan, they like a task from the venture funds, just drop the token on the listing price and invalidate this idea and scam the people. We can't know, are they get a plan to scam people or not? Because in BBL, you know, we work with this model, everything could be good, but after that we pump like this one and crash it down because it was a pure scam. That's why in the moment we can't know, Zora is a scam or not. Of course, no, because we get a chance to drop to another zone here and drop down and scam the people. Of course, it's possible, but it's always about your own risk. You know, here we got like zone of interest. Here we got a reaction at first zone when we need to fix the profit or at least withdraw initial deposit. And in this block, you could already fix some profit and leave some 25%, for example, to sweep the new high. What next? What next for Zora? Guys, of course, can we go higher? Yes, of course we can. But it can be logical correction. It can be the logical correction. How low? For example, if this week we will see this zone, you know, still like consolidation, here it's just open space. We can't know where the market maker is going to stop this token. Based on this model, here's the initiation, accumulation, pump model. You can open the SUI, for example, chart and take a look how this model playing out before on many tokens. Example, the good moment, if the market makers got a plan to do the same pump on other tokens, we got a lot of tokens which still here in the best zone even to buy. Like, for example, Outlayer, Omni, a lot of tokens. That's why it's hard to say which one I'm gonna pump faster, which one I'm gonna pump later, you know. And logically, what I would like to see, I would like to see the correction to 86. After that, drop to 0 level like retest, and maybe even to 23 level by FIP, like close this weekly gap. And after that, if it's not a pure scam, maybe we'll go higher. Zone of interest still relevant. If the token pump and you miss it, you know, no makes sense, guys. Hop into token after 458% gains. No makes sense. Check the vesting schedule, check the market capitalization, FDV, check the unlocks, the fundraising rounds. Highly recommend you go and check the first main video about the Zora, so you will understand the logic, right? So now I wish to see the correction in August, at least to 2 cents 41, 2 cents 24, 0 level, and even here 1 cent 48 and 1 cent 22. This block at least. In this case, I don't think so. We're gonna drop now to the best zone to buy, you know, and we can work with this correction. If we will see some crazy continuation of this token, anyway, this token can finish the ride like other tokens in the bear market. So guys, build a plan, your personal zone where it's more than comfortable for you to fix the profit. That's it, guys. Let's take a look now with my custom indicator set, what's happening now and what's going on. In the weekly time frame, guys, take a look. This is a Afria madness. So people in a trail. Here was accumulation, we formed that divergency on a daily. 1, 2, divergence on a daily here because this low was 9 cents 79, and here we been in accumulation, and the low was like 7 cents 76. So it was a pure divergence on a daily. Capitulation on market mood, capitulation on the market mood, gray color. Now it's a pump, it's a hype. So this is not accumulation, guys. Don't be trapped. This is a distribution. And of course, it's distribution. On the daily, on direction, we at the top, but without signals to sell. 12-hour time frame, here, step-by-step accumulation. And whales buy, whales buy. Here's the distribution, Afria, time to be ready to out of this token. Step by step, or immediately. So up to you guys. Once again, it's not about all the time like where to buy. Sometimes we made updates and post where to sell. Money inflow, blue columns, here's the money outflow. So the whale step-by-step fix in a logical zone of fixation. Now, no new fixation, but on a daily, yes, we got like 2 days in a row, the whales fix a profit. Of course, it's logical to fix a profit. Let me show you that trade on and take profit, guys. Here's a trade on. Trade on is... where is the trade on? Here's a buy. Here was a buy signal at 1 cent round number. Take profit, sell, sell, and now no signal to sell. On the daily, the exit line is 1 cent 68. So believe it or not, but we're gonna drop and test the buy line again. I'm more than sure, just a matter of time. It's 0.2074. It's a buy line on the daily. 12-hour time frame, guys. Here was a buy again, take profit, sell, sell. Now no new signal to sell because the candle's still not closed yet. And the buy line now on 12 time frame 0.2069, but all lines are dynamic, guys. That's why if we will see there even the correction, you know, in August, the line can be here. So if it will be the correction, it can be like 23 low by fee. So we'll come back to this video later to the second updates for this video. I will post in August. 4-hour time frame, guys, take a look. The buy line is a little bit higher, 0.209. Anyway, we trade away over exit line. So we can drop or from this current prices or form another high, all-time high, and after that drop. Guys, it's just my personal opinion about Zora. Highly recommend you go and check the first video about Zora. One take. Second one, watch the tutorial how to work with this model. Use my custom indicator set. Link will be under the description below, and you'll be happy. So guys, I hope you like this video. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.